Hey, this is Philip. I'm the head coffee roaster here at Radford Coffee Company, and I want to take a quick minute to give you an introduction to a new product we have available. I present to you the Aeropress coffee brewer. I want to give you a quick walkthrough of all the things that you're going to expect when you open your Aeropress coffee brewer. Gonna do a quick unboxing of everything here. Pull everything out. I'm going to set most of this aside so I can show you first the coffee brewer itself. It comes in two cylindrical components here. One is a plunger, one is the brewing chamber. I'll talk to you a little bit later about how those work. Along with that comes the cap for your filter, and incidentally, a holder and about 300 filters. More than enough to last you for a good while. Lastly, everything else here, you've got a quick, easy coffee scoop. This is going to come in handy for when you're using this. A stirrer paddle, which is actually measured so that it can stir down inside your brewer without scraping your filter. And lastly, your funnel, so that you're going to be able to make sure that you get every last coffee ground into your Aeropress coffee brewer in order to make sure everything stays nice and tidy when you're brewing. And lastly, we have the Aeropress available both with and without these nifty little tote bags, so that you can store your Aeropress in a nice compact place if you need to, or you can take it with you on a bag on the run. So you've got a nice bit of equipment here. Everything here has immense value to you as a brewer, and I'm looking forward to showing you how everything here works. For more information on the Aeropress and a couple of different methods to brew using the Aeropress, check out the link to our website in the description down below. You can go there, buy the Aeropress with and without the tote. We have some accessories that you definitely want to check out on that. And definitely follow up on a couple of videos we'll have coming up on how to use this coffee brewer. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.